Yes. Keep going. Keep going. We gotta do another song.
It's up to 103.7. I can't deal with this song.
Yeah, you can. Wait until you see what it is.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, now touch me, baby.
Touch me, baby! Preach it!
Why won't you tell me what she said? What was that promise that you made? Now
What do you like?
Shelby,
That
that's...
does you no good anymore. She has saved her seat long enough to where...
I forgot it was there. Did you check the other side?
Yes.
Oh.
You need to turn here.
Oh my god, we are gonna die.
come on, come on, come on, come on, now touch me, baby. Can you see that I am not afraid? What was that
Shelby.
promise that you made?
Shelby.
What?
Why won't you tell me what?
Yeah, Shelby.
What?
Don't! Shelby, you are on camera right now. Is this it? Is this the house?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. This guy is so gay, he has a bug for a car.
Yep, they did buy a car. Bye, sister.
Shelby. Oh my god.
Did you get that?
Yeah, it's going on YouTube, so I hope you're happy with
No,
that.
it's not.
Yes, it
Was
is.
it good?
It was your arse.
Yeah, what you buy?
Oh my god. Jeez. Oh. I love that you've met my sister. I'm not sure how to edit that out, but I might have to. Anyway. Yeah. Shelby! I love you!